Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Vlogmas day 3. It's your favorite girl Janelle, and I'm right back here with another video tutorial for you guys. So in today's episode of Vlogmas, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how to make this beautiful Christmas ornaments, Christmas boxes for decorations in your homes. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, do so by clicking that big red subscribe button below this video and join the family, guys. To my old subscribers, I love you all. You guys are the real MVP, guys. Please do share this video, like it, and comment down below. Let's get to the video. So you could decide to make your boxes in different sizes, but I'll be making mine with squares of 3 centimeters each. So you start by joining all sides of the 3 centimeter squares, just like you see me do, and then when you're done with the 4 sides, you join the top and the bottom to close the box and form the box. It's pretty easy, guys. So whatever measurement you use, you just start joining both sizes. The big box I got over there, I think I used 4 by 4 inches width and length. So that was what gave me the big box. For the smaller boxes, I'm using 3 by 3 centimeters, not inches. So you just, gum the 4 sides, and then you gum the top and bottom, and that gives you a box. It's pretty easy, like ABC, guys. So altogether, you should have 6 squares, pending the measurements you choose to do. So mine was 6 squares, 3 by 3 centimeters into 6 places. That gave me 1 small box. So if you want to do 8 centimeters, 4 centimeters, just make sure you have 6 squares to form a box. So when you're done making the box, you now take your scissors, and cut off any excess gum that's just showing off. You do that, and then you take the foam you'll be using for the ribbon and just wrap it all around the box. And when you're done wrapping the box, you take another 3 by 3 inches foam of the same foam you used in wrapping the box, and draw a line across it just like you see me do, so you could get the center. And then you use your scissors and cut, almost getting to the center in all 4 sides. After cutting all 4 sides, just follow what I'm doing. I think it's very explanatory. One side you just cut out like a V, and the other side you cut out a handle which you use to wrap the bow, and then you put your gum in both big sides and join them to the middle to form a bow. I think I'm going to do another video specifically showing you guys how to make a bow. You do that to the other side. Just follow my video. It's pretty explanatory. And there you have a mini bow for your mini box, and all you have to do is take your gum and attach it to your box, and voila, you've got yourself a beautiful Christmas box for decorations this festive season, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I'm gonna be seeing you guys tomorrow for another beautiful DIY Christmas ornament part 2. It has been a beautiful journey, guys. Thank you. Oh my god, this came out so beautiful. I love them. I love them. All colors are amazing. You could just play around with colors. Do you, guys? And have a beautiful day. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Like this video. See you all tomorrow. Bye.